Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in this video we have Domino's pizza. So this is a slice of a Domino's pizza. So this pizza costs $7. I think $7. Yeah. So let's go ahead and review this pizza. So as you guys can see, let's take a good look at this slice. So it's very well cooked, I gotta say. So let's go ahead and give this guy a taste test. So let's go ahead and take a bite. So the sauce is actually really good. The cheese is a little not well melted, but the sauce is good. The chicken is decent, and I really like the olives. Overall, it gives a very good taste. It is cooked, but now that I look at it, it's not that well cooked. Overall, I'll give this a 7.5 out of 10. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching this pizza review. And yeah, this pizza was busted respectfully. So yeah, until next time, peace out.